Hey, what's happening, everyone? We are going to take a look at our last book of business report. This time it is the last one, I promise. And this is just going to be that annual sales summary. Now, this one isn't my favorite report that AgencyZoom has, just because it is a big old matrix. That's all it is, right? Months across the top, year at the end, staff down here, and it's divided up by number of policies and premium, right? It's got the key up here on what each of those mean, and it just gives you the raw number, right? In July or August, rather, says that I sold two policies for $4,040, which puts my total for the year at two policies, $4,040 in premium. Right at the very bottom, you can get an idea on where your agency is. This very last row down here, 28 for 25, 650. I think there's cleaner reports to look at this. I mean, even just the dashboard reports, I think, are a little bit cleaner than this, but it's not a bad one to export and print and kind of manipulate a little bit too, especially if you want to do some end of year planning. We can go into 2025 where it's nice and blank. I can print this out and I can do some planning by producers and say, this is how many policies and premium I expect you to have every month or whatever, and just kind of whiteboard it out with them. So not my favorite, but it's not the worst report out there either. It does give you kind of a very good idea of where everyone stands overall, just on one big screen. So hopefully you guys can find some good uses for this report as well.